Let's get straight to it. This is a 2010 Audi A4 2.0. And today I'm going to show you how to change your EGR hose. We're going to go ahead and pull this cover off. Just easily pulls up and off. And now you pretty much reveal your hose. This is your EGR hose right here. It basically takes your gas and recirculates it back into your engine so it can recycle it and not let the harmful stuff back into the air. So in order to change this hose, we need to disconnect it here and disconnect it here. The way we do that, if you look at it here, there's a piece that sticks up here and on the bottom. If you grab those two pieces and you squeeze and just vibrate it left and right and slowly, you should be able to work that piece on out. Squeeze it and work it right on out, just like that. Same thing on the other side. You want to squeeze it. You see where it has the ridges? That's where you squeeze, top and bottom, and you left and right while you're pulling, and it slowly works out. Just do it nice and gentle. I mean, obviously you're changing it, but you don't want to break it off in there. Alright, and then that's off just like that. This was the intake side, and over here is your valve side, where your valve cover is. Got a little bit of oil in there. Just get something, a clean rag, and wipe out the little bit of oil that's in there, and we can go ahead and put our new one on. When fitting your new one on, you notice it only goes in one way, because if you try to put it in the other way, it won't fit. So you're gonna take this side here and push it in till it clicks. And as you can see, this is a used one. And you're gonna take this other side in and push that in till it clicks. And that's pretty much it. It's nice and tight now, nice and snug. While we're down here, we can just inspect for anything else, any loose wiring, anything that look off. After that, we can go ahead and put our cover on. They drop right down on these anchors here. And then just snap them down. And once your cover on, that's pretty much it. And that's how you change your EGR hose on a 2010 Audi A4. If you liked the video, you thought it was helpful, be sure to hit the like, subscribe button. Also, if you feel this video saved you some money, don't be afraid to leave a little tip in the Cash App. The more reactions and support that I receive is the more content that I'll make.